What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin', Junior? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Another day, another dollar. Let me close that door really quickly. Get some echo up in here. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Poppin', Junior. What is poppin'? We live. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Every day I'm hustling. All right. All right. All right. So the 8:30 number came out. The dollar went to the moon, the absolute moon on the dollar right now. So we've got a lot. Looking at the 15-minute chart right here, we're below the VWAP. We got this pivot point. We dropped from the 440s down here to the 360s, a 100-point drop after those numbers came out. So we'll see how this goes today. Oh, man. All right, all right. So let me look here. We got any more numbers coming out today? We got economic calendar. We got a FOMC member Bostic speaking later on today. Nothing between, nothing. No news coming out between 9:30, 10 o'clock. So let's see what happens here. Right now, this 15-minute chart obviously looking pretty bearish. If we look at yesterday, the big move up there, we had that big move up yesterday off of that kind of pivot point, 275, all the way up there to the 440s overnight. We got stuck there at that 440 pivot point there. So 440 pivot on the Nasdaq right now. There's a pivot point on the ES up there at the 426s as well. So, yeah, the dollar right now popping up. We had some news come out there at 8:30, and well, the market did not like the news. So we'll see how this goes. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, by the way. Thanks for all the support on the boat. Pretty happy. Some idiot commented like, Patrick, you can go to the grocery store and you can buy mahi for cheaper. I'm like, bro. Like, do you really, like, you think that's what I'm worried about? I'm worried about the cost of the mahi. He ain't wrong. Well, fuck you, Michael Hathcote. You wrong. It's not about, the story is not about me wanting to go and buy fish at the fucking grocery store. The story is I want to go out in the ocean and catch the fish myself. I want to be a man, not a little bitch. Michael just got put on the bitch list for life now. Sorry about you. I'm a hunter, all right? I'm a wolf. I want to go fucking hunt. I want to go hunt, boys. People be like, it's cheaper to live in a fucking cardboard box and be broke than it is to work hard and make money. Yeah, no, I get that. I get that. Hey, Patrick, it's easier just to live off welfare than to actually work? Well, sure. Sure it is. All right, so we are sitting here, 15-minute chart. It's going to be an interesting open. Really I don't know. Looking here, 15-minute chart right now. We'll do a poll here in a minute once everybody gets in here. So, got the VWAP there at the 414s. Kind of just holding right here, right now on this trend line there. So I would like to see maybe a retest of that VWAP at open before moving down. Would be ideal, right? Like we like to see that, right? So not sure I'd want to get short right here, right now. Dollar kind of double top on the dollar right now. We're looking at the Nasdaq. Congrats on the boat. Thank you. Thank you for the boat compliments. We're here. We're live. I probably will not be live tomorrow. I think I'm going to go sword fishing in the morning. So you got to get what you can get today, baby. I think today is going to be a good day to kind of wait for that 15-minute opening range breakout, breakdown. So unless we just start dumping straight down, we hit that pivot point at open. Maybe we run this low. Maybe, baby. So we got pivot point down there at the 350s. Got a pivot point. That 440 pivot overnight held us down. We pushed up there 240 this morning. We sold off. We got stuck. We sold through this support there at the 415s and went straight down here. 376 now. So we'll see what happens here at open right now. Kind of a mixed bag. They are just kind of slowly moving it down here. Slowly moving it down. The dollar kind of a double top on the dollar right now. So if the dollar starts to push back up here, I think we would then make that next move down to this pivot. But that pivot was this level yesterday was kind of resistance. We broke through that 340, 350 area and rallied all the way up there to the 400s. Yesterday's high, well, in the morning, the resistance there at the 382s, end of day squeezed above that. So I don't know. Definitely opening up with a small gap to the downside here. Very, very close. That I would love to just see that kind of straight up rip to the VWAP at open there. Right now, we're looking at the 3-minute chart. You can see just slowly moving it down here. Slowly just moving on down. We bounced off this 60 level. We pushed back up 409. We pull back right now. JJR, how did you get the video of me cruising from the distance? It's a drone, bro. It's a drone. It's a drone. I got this camera that follows me around everywhere I go. It's great. Paparazzi. The paparazzi, man. The boat is great. The boat is great. Everybody's so interested in the boat today. I like it. We're just going to start a boat channel here. Just going to start a boat channel. No more trading, just boating. Boating. All right, so this is like I said, kind of is a slow move down here. We're not really dumping. We're just kind of slowly walking down here. You can see these are 3-minute candles, and we've just been kind of like slowly moving back down to this low here. The ES at the lows, the Nasdaq down here at the lows after that move this morning. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, help me blow up that like button. It's free to like. We'll do the poll here. We get 500 likes, we'll do the poll. We only need 300 more likes. Hit the little likey button. It's free to like, by the way. We're going up. We're going down at open. Where is the yacht at? We don't have a yacht. Why do you keep asking about the fucking yacht? Come on, let's focus on the trading, guys. God. Ugh. I just want to make some money today. I don't want to sit here and have to fucking argue and do all kinds of just let's just make some money, all right? Let's make some money today. Then we'll talk about the yachts. Did I go fishing with Tanja? No, I did not. Oh my God. You guys are something else. I did not go fishing. She lives in New York City. I did not go fishing with Tanja. Tanja trades. All right, there's the poll. Up or down at open. Up or down? We are currently on the 3-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame here. I should take Tory trades fishing. I don't know about that. Only 300 likes. It's messed up. Gotta get 500 likes here. Come on, hit that like button, boys and girls. It's free to like. It's free. AJ would take Tory trades fishing. Hey, you know, whatever floats your boat. She's just not my type. I like them tall and blonde. Tall and blonde, baby. Do I find more success trading the 3-minute chart? I think it's good to kind of look for your setups, you know, on like a bigger time frame, the 3-minute chart or so, and then look for your entries on the 1-minute chart. So it's kind of always good to have. Obviously I have multiple charts pulled up. I've got the 3-minute, I've got the 1-minute, I've got the 15-minute, and yeah, you know, we got the whole package here. So the whole package. So right now, VWAP is, I'm kind of interested in this VWAP level. 413 VWAP up there. So maybe we hit it, maybe we don't. Right now, the poll pretty much inclusive. Inconclusive? Non-conclusive? Non-clusive. Inconclusive. The poll is inconclusive. Is that how you say it? Inconclusive? Inclusive. Inconclusive. Why can't I say that? Inconclusive. I got a problem. It's inclusive. Is it inclusive or inconclusive? Inconclusive. Uh-oh. We got someone in the chat said that it's going heavily down. It is going heavily. I like when people use words like heavily, for sure, 100%. You know, those are my favorite. Those are always my favorite terms in the chat. It's for sure going down, they said. I don't really care what happens. It can go down, it can go up. All I need to do is basically take a trade, make money, walk away. So, yeah, UCLA, where we're going today? What's the plan? You tell me, buddy. You're always Mr. I know exactly where the market's going to go. Let's hear it. UCLA 3000. Where's the market heading today? You tell me, and let's find out if you're right. You say you're always right. Let's hear it. We're trading the Nasdaq here. Well, UCLA, come on, tell us. Tell us the levels. I think the, I don't know, that VWAP up there, just sitting there, it's like it wants to get touched. VWAP wants to get touched. Futures said 15, 4, 60, 25. Very exact. That's a very exact number. I like it. That's a very exact number. 25 cents on the dot. Why 25 cents? Why not 50 cents? Why not 75 cents? All right, we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Still waiting for UCLA to tell us where the market's going to go. Oh, 15,460 is the daily fair value gap low. Skew Trader says, I doubt it will hit VWAP. However, I think it will go up. All right. Place your bets. Place your bets, people. That's the best part about it. Everybody can have a different opinion. And, well, we can all place our trades. And at the end of the day, whoever makes money wins. Whoever makes money wins. Tell me, yeah. Mungo, tell me after 11 o'clock. Did I catch any fish? No, just 4 mahi. No fish, just no perch, just some mahi. All right, we got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes till market opens. 3 minutes. Isn't that a fish? No. Mahi is something else. The name of the boat is Topstep. Topstep is the name of the boat. Come on, we've already talked about this. UCLA, he's waiting until 10:30 to tell us where the market's going to go after the fact. What does mahi taste like? Pretty much like white. UCLA, I have no level today. Oh, classic. Classic. Now he's got no level. Now he's, when we put him on the spot, he's got no level. All right, we're pushing back up here. 392. The VWAP up there at the 410s currently. VWAP, wop, 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 wop. At the open, nothing is good. I kind of agree with you. To be honest. I don't want to agree with you, but I kind of agree with you. I kind of agree with you. All right. We're counting it down here. We got 1 more minute. 1 more minute to place your bets. Place your bets in 1 minute. You can either go long, you can either go short. The chat is a mixed bag right now. We got some people thinking the market's going to go up. We got some people that think the market's going to go down. We're going to find out here. Bam, 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 bam. Place your bets. 30 seconds, people. 30 seconds. Hit that like button. Let's go. Get ready for the market to open up here. Open up. Ding, 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 ding. 410. Let's see if it hits. Here at open, VWAP up there. VWAP at the 410s for the Nasdaq. The VWAP on the ES right now at the 419s. 419 on the VWAP for the ES. 410s for the VWAP here on the Nasdaq. Here we go. The market is now open for business, people. Place your bets. It's time to party. She's trying to push that 400 level. Get through the 400s. Go to the VWAP next. Okay. I got to put my little... There's the push. Up there to the 400s, trying to push through there. Being patient here. Little pullback right now. The dollar pulling back. The ES pulling back. The Nasdaq pulling back. ES down. The Nasdaq down. Trying to be patient here, people. Trying to be patient. There's that push straight back up there. Got to get above 400 if we want to push, obviously. But right now, stuck there below the 400s. They keep tapping that 400 level. We move down here to this pivot point next. We got this support down here, 370 area. And then you got like 360s from earlier down there as well. So the 1 minute chart right there at the 14 EMA on the 1 minute chart right now. So possibly starting to dump through here. Let's see. The dollar trying to push up. Nasdaq chopping here. Ooh. Ripping back up there again. Holding right there at the 14 EMA for now. We get above this 400, I think we'll push right to the VWAP next. Up into that 410 level. Just trying to get it. Dollar's pushing straight up. The Nasdaq's pushing straight up. 400 resistance once again. Will we tap the VWAP here? Holding right there at the 400s for now. The ES pulling back. The Nasdaq pulling back again. The ES is making a new low right here. Nasdaq pulling back there as well. So be careful on the Nasdaq. The dollar just showing too much strength right now. The ES down there to the Nasdaq down there to the 80s. The ES down to the 06s. The ES is breaking to the downside right now on the 15-minute chart. Nasdaq still holding on for now. Here at the 80s. If we lose that 80 support, we should move down here. Let's see, through the 80s if we move down. Right now, holding there at the 80s for now. So the ES, though, making a new low. The Nasdaq's trying to push up here. Dollar going straight up. Nasdaq just can't make up its mind. ES making a new low. ES down there to the 405s. Nasdaq trying to push up right now while the ES is selling off there. There we go. Right to the VWAP there now. Dollar finding some resistance. They like that VWAP. They tapped the VWAP right there. There's another pivot point up there at the 440s. If we get through there, should start ripping. Get through this 420 level and then try to get back up into like 30, 40s. So need that push up here through the 20s next. Got to get through the 20s. There's a candle high there from earlier. Right there at the VWAP now here on the Nasdaq. Dollar's pulling back. The ES finding some support, pushing back up. Nasdaq showing more strength right now. So if the Nasdaq can get this above the 20s, I think we would then push up there into this 40s, 50 level. She's trying to do something here. We're right at the VWAP right now on the 3-minute chart, just sitting here. We need this thing to close above the 20s. We got 20 seconds left on this candle. Just go straight up boner candle right here and try to tap that 20 level on this 3-minute candle would be very bullish here. Just needs to get above 15s or so. Not the best close there. It's right below the VWAP now, so will they run it now? Stuck there at the VWAP right now on the 3-minute chart here. Will we start selling it down? If you like to see this take out, it would have to go straight down, take out this 70s next. Looking good. Need to go through 90s or so. The ES down there, ES is making new lows on the 15-minute chart. The Nasdaq kind of just still having trouble selling off here. So be looking to see if the Nasdaq can take out this 70 level through there quickly. Down there to the 80s now. The ES making new lows. The dollar squeezing straight up. Bounce there off the 80s one more time here on the Nasdaq. This is the 1 minute chart. The Nasdaq is holding on here, this 90 level for now. So the ES making new lows down there to the 05s. I don't see how the Nasdaq doesn't break through 80s here and then try to move down there to the 60s next. I don't see how it doesn't happen. There we go, through the 80s now. It's down there to 75s. They take out the 75 level and then move down there towards the 60s quickly. Beautiful down there, 74, 75s. Looking real good here for that 60 touch or more. Be down there to the pivot point at the 02s right now on the ES. So Nasdaq got a pivot point all the way down there at the 50s. Right now, 50 pivot point on the Nasdaq down there. We sold through the 80s just like we were looking for. Now the question is, can we take out this 70 level and try to move down there to that pivot at the 50s? Dollar going straight up right now. Nasdaq ripping back up here off that 70 push. Wow. A lot of volatility here on the Nasdaq right now. A lot of volatility here. Waiting to see what happens here, how this kind of looks. If we're going to sell through 60s next, take out that 60 area. Pivot point down there at the 50s, that white line right there. So we pushed up to the VWAP at open. We sold off. We're moving down here now. How low can we go? The dollar going straight up right now. All right, down there to the 70s again. We sell through the 70s. Party Town. Go to Party Town here. The ES at the 02s trying to break through there. The ES probably wants that 400 level flat. Get the Nasdaq down there to the 60s or lower. Watching this 70 here, 70 break. Holding right there at the 70s for now. Get through the 70s and then move straight down there to the 60s here. 67s. 65s again. Get right through the 65s here. Can it go? Little trap right there below 70s for now. I think she wants to take out that 65s though. A lot of pressure building here for the shorts to take this lower. So close. Little double bottom there on the 3-minute chart for now. Again, off that 67 level. Needs to dump right through there. They're battling. They're battling. 68s again. The buyers just keep holding that 70 level for now, so they're either going to get dumped on and this thing's going to drop right through there, or it's going to rip back up there. This candle's got 2 minutes left on it, just holding there, that low. We got 3 candles in a row holding that low for now, so it looks scary. Still holding up there for now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq kind of just holding there. The ES down there to the 4,400s. Is it going to reverse here? What's going to happen? We push up here to the 90s again, into that 3-minute fair value gap there. Looks like it. Yeah, looks like it. Nice little push back up at that 94s, just like we said it would. That's kind of funny. Little funny. We got the VWAP up there at the 405s again. The chop is real, boys. The chop is real. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit them all. Hit all the buttons. Hit all the buttons, boys and girls. All right, so we held that low down there for now. So the dollar is just absolutely just keeps continuing to go higher. So I feel like as long as the dollar keeps going higher, the Nasdaq, the ES is not going to want to do. I mean, I feel like it's not going to want to go straight up here. With the dollar going straight up, how does the Nasdaq, the ES go straight up? The $1 million questions. VWAP up there at the 03s. If we're going to hold this flag trendy thingy, break up here, break to the downside one more time through here. There goes the dollar once again. All right, boys, I've got to run. The market looks like it's going to chop here, and, well, I'm just going to take it. And I got some things I got to do today. So I will see you guys possibly not tomorrow morning. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But big ups to everybody making it happen this morning. And I'll see you guys another day, another dollar. Tune in every day. We're always here for you. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, I will talk to you guys later on.